Hello Internet, Helmet Head here for another chat as always. Today I want to talk about tyres. Now I'm coming up to the point where I need tyres on my Bonneville. And it's a hard choice, isn't there? I mean, you've got loads of brands, haven't you? I mean, Pirelli, Michelin, Goodyear, they go on and they go on and they go on. I mean, tyres obviously are massively important, and you get what you pay for. If you're going to buy yourself some cheap tyres you've never heard of, they're not going to be good, and when it's wet, they're going to be terrible. Don't do it, because you're just going to come off and it's going to hurt. Buy some decent tyres. Now, when I was younger, I always used to buy Bridgestones. And I always used to buy dual compound, and I don't know if it was the thing at the time or what, and they were really good tyres, and they were sticky. Obviously, you've got tyres for off-road knobblies, you've got road tyres, and then you've got track tyres. So obviously, you know, you've all sorts of tyres out for different jobs. But so anyway, my sort of thing coming up is that modern day, I tend to obviously I look for price, what's on discount on the brands, and what's recommended as well. And I'm probably going to go for Pirellis this time round. But I'm going to shop. I'm going to go and ask the guy at the garage that does all my little jobs that I can't do, and get his advice, because you always want a second opinion on what people think, definitely. And obviously come up with a cost. Now, I think currently average price of two decent-ish front and rear tyres are about 250 quid. Then you've got to look at fitting on top. And it's obviously front tyres a lot easier than the back, because they've got to take things off like the chain, or if you're lucky you haven't got one, you've got a direct drive or something. But anyway, they've got to be taken off and then put back on and everything else. So, you know, it'd be interesting to see what those costs come back at. I haven't put any tyres actually on either of my motorcycles for quite some time, so I normally buy them with virtually new tyres on whenever I buy a bike, or with new tyres if possible, to save myself all the hassle. But yeah, I reckon I'm going to go for some Pirellis. I mean, I might go back to Bridgestone. I've not bought myself a pair of Bridgestone for ages, but you know, there's lots of new tyres and things come out as well. But the most important thing of all about tyres is just don't buy the cheap ones, because they're going to be terrible. I remember once, and this is not on the motorcycle, this is in the car, but I remember once I bought a cheap pair of tyres to put onto a car. Didn't have a lot of money at the time, and we basically were taking the kids to a theme park, and it was in Devon, and the road going up to the theme park was really steep, and it was a hot day, and all that happened was my tyres were spinning, and I must have took off half the tread just trying to get up. And then the car park was like a downhill, so to come out of the car park was exactly the same, to the point where I had to unload the family, get it up the hill for them to get in it again. It was just madness. So that was like a massive lesson learnt there. It was like cheap tyres are just no good, but other people weren't struggling. So yeah, that's kind of going off the subject a little bit, I know, and on the subject, on off. Anyway, yeah, definitely pick some decent tyres, guys. If you've got any recommendations for like your favourite brand of tyres and the reasons why not stick them in the description as well, and it gives me a key for thought there as well. And that's another really quick video about tyres. I mean, the only thing that's going to come across is don't buy cheap, buy decent tyres. Obviously, don't stretch yourself, but buy the best you can get. Always get advice from the person who's fitting the tyres. And always shop around for your tyres as well. Ideally, if you can buy your own tyres, take them in and get them fitted, you'll probably find you save yourself a few quid as there. Anyway, take care. This is Helmet Head saying goodbye for another quick vlog.